welcome back to Beyond Infinity, where we simplify coding. In today's video, we are going to learn about tokens in Java, one of the fundamental building blocks of the language. So, what exactly are tokens? In Java, tokens are smallest units of a program. Think of them as building blocks of Java code, just like words in a sentence. There are 5 types of tokens in Java: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and special symbols. Keywords in Java. Keywords are reserved words in Java that have predefined meanings. For example, public, class, static, void, int, if, else, for. In this example, public, class, and int are the keywords. Java has 50 plus keywords like this. Moving on to identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to variables, class, and methods. Rules for identifiers. It can start with a letter or dollar symbol or underscore symbol. Identifiers cannot be a keyword. Java is case sensitive. For example, class, my class, int age is equals to 25. The identifier is my class since it is the class name. Moving on to literals. Literals is a fixed value that doesn't change during execution. Types of literals: integer, float, character, string, and boolean. For example, int num is equals to 100. Double pi is equals to 3.14. Boolean flag is equals to true. This value doesn't change during execution. Moving on to operators. Operators perform operations on values. Types of operator: arithmetic, relational, logical, and assignment. Now let's see an example. Int a is equals to 10, b equal to 5. System.out.println a plus b. This display statement will add the value of a and b and give the output as 15. Now in this condition, system.out.println a is greater than b. The output is true since it is a relational operator. Some special symbols are used in Java for various purposes: braces, brackets, parentheses, semicolon, and comma. Braces are used for defining blocks of the code. Brackets are used for arrays. Parentheses are used for calling methods, and semicolon are used to end statements. Comma is used to separate multiple values. For example, we have used bases for code blocks and comma to separate the values and brackets to represent array. So that's all about tokens in Java. We learned about keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and special symbols. Can you tell me which of the following are keywords and which are identifiers in the given code? Comment your answers below. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.